Hey guys, today's video is going to be a Glossybox unboxing. So apparently I'm on Glossybox's PR list now. This is the second month in a row that I've gotten a box from them. I did work with them in the past, like years ago, I think. But now I'm suddenly getting boxes again, so I think they put me back on their PR list. I don't know, but it came in the mail and let's unbox it. The first thing in the box is a $100 wine voucher from nakedwines.com. I have gotten one of these before. Yeah, see, there's a catch. You might think like, oh, $100 off, that's a great deal. We have to spend $160. So yeah, it says get $100 off any case of wine priced at $160 or more. So you're spending at least 60 bucks. I guess if you really like wine, that's a deal. I'm not really a wine drinker. I mean, I'm not really much of a drinker anyway, but if I do drink, I prefer beer, like Miller Lights. Well, the theme for this month is retreat, I guess. There's a little booklet. So the first thing in the box is from Invisibobble, and of course I don't have it on my wrist right now. I usually always wear it, but I have like a little Invisibobble hair tie thing that I always wear, and of course I don't have it on because I just took a shower and just did my makeup and I took it off and I haven't put it back on, but I'm always wearing it. If you see my videos, like I always have my pink Invisibobble thing on me. It's a scrunchie though in a leopard print. Oh, scrunchies are back in style, guys, which is crazy because when I was a kid, like scrunchies were the thing. Okay, so yes, Invisibobble scrunchie. This retails for $8. These are awesome because they do not leave that like line in your hair, you know, like the ponytail line, and they don't give you a headache either. I rarely wear my hair up because, well, before getting my Invisibobble, I rarely wore my hair up because it would always give me a headache. No, I don't like the way my hair looks when it's up because I feel like it makes my cheeks look chubby. Anyway, these are great and I'm excited for this. Next thing in the box is from Georgette Klinger. This is a rose clarifying toner. Looks like that. Don't mind my nails. I have not had time to paint my nails. Full size of this retails for $26, but this is a good size. This is a botanical blend of witch hazel, antioxidants, and aloe vera. It dissolves dirt to deep clean your pores while maintaining healthy hydration and pH balance. Not only does it clean your skin, but rose, lavender, and jasmine flower, I love jasmine, they help to extract the grease off your face throughout the day. Yes, I'm excited about this. I've never heard of this brand before, but I'm excited. Next thing is from Royal Apothec. This is the Scrubby Sugar Lip Scrub. Now this is full size, retails for $14. It says made with natural sugars. Royal Apothec's lip scrub exfoliates your lips, leaving them silky smooth to the touch. With a flavoring you'll want to sneak a taste of, this scrub is powerful enough to even rid your lips of all your old bad dates. That's gonna... Ugh. Anyway, this is what it looks like. I am excited for this. Ooh, I'm liking things so far. I'm liking. And I see a nail polish and I think I'm gonna like this too. This is from Nails Inc. London. This color is called Victory Place. It's a really pretty like pale pink. It kind of has like a shimmer in it. I bet this is expensive. Let's see. Oh, $15. Yep, that's expensive for nail polish. Maybe I'll paint my nails this color when my kids go to college, because that's probably the next time I'm gonna have time to paint my nails. Okay, moving on. This is from Toka Montauk Salt Air Cucumber. What is this? What is this? Oh, it's a candle. Oh. Retails for $40, okay. Full size retails for $42. Full size is a 10 ounce. This is a 1.2 ounce. $42 for a candle. Oh, that's expensive. So, yeah, this is a salt air and cucumber candle. Salty air, cucumber, and seagrass come together for the perfect handcrafted scent to add the air of indulgence to your bathroom routine. Once you've burned the candle all the way down, use the glass container as a jewelry holder or a decorative addition around your house. Okay, let's smell it here. All right, this is the packaging. Let's smell this. Oh, that smells really good. Lighting is a little crazy. Ooh, oh my gosh, that smells really good. That is like the perfect bathroom scent. But yeah, it just comes in a little glass. Ooh, oh my gosh. Yes. Last thing in the box is from Tree Hut Skincare. This is the Hydrating Overnight Mask. This is full size, retails for $14.99. Oh, that's super affordable. Tree Hut's hydrating overnight mask uses chamomile to soothe skin so you wake up with a moisturized, fresh look. Lavender's antioxidants and ginseng's ability to enhance collagen production and rejuvenate skin are a winning combination. Let the mask do the work while you get your beauty sleep. I'm excited to try that because the skin on my face has been super dry lately. Thank you, postpartum life. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. Let's check it out. It's probably sealed though, isn't it? Yeah, it's sealed. All right, well, let's open it. Oh, ooh, definitely smell the chamomile, but that's what it looks like. Ugh. My thoughts on this box, I'm actually liking this box. I'm super excited to try this mask. Nope, that didn't come in the box. This did. I'm excited to try this lip scrub. Yes, on the Invisibobble. Yes, yes, yes. This guy right here, the Rose Clarifying Toner. Super excited to try that. And what else came in the bag? Oh yeah, the candle, yes. Candle smells amazing. Oh, and the nail polish, yes, excited about this. Again, if you guys are interested in Glossybox, I will have a link down below. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.